Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss regarding Arduino board description. This Arduino board consists of many different parts in it, components in it. Naming with the first one, this is a USB port. We can connect our computer to the Arduino board with this USB port. Number two, this is also a power port. Means we can connect directly the AC mains to Arduino board with this power port. This is voltage regulator, which regulates the voltage. Means its function is to supply a constant DC to the board. Crystal oscillator, it has a frequency of 16 megahertz and it is responsible for timing. Next is pin number 5 and 17. This one 5, which is reset, as well as this button is also a reset. Once you perform the program, it keeps on running because of the loop what we provide in the program. So once the program is done, we can directly press this reset button so that the programming is stopped. 15, these pins are digital input output pins. We can connect input to these pins as well as take digital outputs from these pins. Pin number 16 is a reference. A reference means analog reference used to set an external reference voltage between 0 to 5 volts. Pins 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have pin number 6 is 3.3, means to supply 3.3 volts output. And to supply 5 volts as output, we connect the pin to this particular pin. And then pin number 8 is ground. 8 is ground. And pin number 9 is V-in to provide the external power source has voltage input like AC mains. And pin number 10, this 10, we have totally 6 pins here, which are mentioned as analog in. Means we can connect analog sensors like temperature sensor here, so that the analog data is read by this computer, which in turn converts the data into a digital data. This 11, this is the brain of the Arduino. You can call it as brain of Arduino, which is the microcontroller. What kind of microcontroller we are using is Atmega 32, which is mentioned on the chip itself. And this belongs to Atmel company. And whatever programming we do in the computer in Arduino IDE software, that program is dumped into this chip. And this 12 these are called as ICSP pin. It is usually used for serial peripheral interface. It means to connect an external board with this board, we use these pins. Okay. So it means what we are doing by connecting an output device to this pins, we are making that output device as slave to this master Arduino board. Pin number 13, here this is power LED indicator. LED should light up when you plug your Arduino into a power source to indicate that board is powered up correctly. Pin number 14 is TX and RX. As the name itself suggests, TX means transmit, RX means receive. Okay. So the TX LED flashes with a different speed while sending the data, and while receiving the data, RX, okay, it flashes. This is about Arduino board.